My name's Alex Ward, and this is my persuasive speech. How many pieces of plastic do you use a day? Now imagine how many you use in a week or even a month. Many people do not realize the large amount of single-use plastic used in today's society. There are rainforests being cut down and trash being filled every single day. These trees and water supply a multitude of things needed for human survival, and if something isn't done to help the preservation of the earth, we may not have suitable living conditions for very much longer. Throwing out recyclable items as garbage hurts the environment detrimentally. Many recyclable items find their way outside every single day. According to The Green Growing, 50% of all plastic thrown out is only used once. Recycling these products would greatly benefit the environment, and is also actually much easier to create new plastic from already remade plastic rather than raw materials. Recycling these materials greatly decreases our energy use and our use of raw materials as well, which help our environment, such as rainforests, oceans, and obviously natural resources. Almost every piece of plastic that has ever been made still exists today, except for those that have been burned or incinerated. Burning and incinerating plastic sounds like a good idea, but is actually quite the contrary. Burning and incinerating plastic causes chemicals to be released into the atmosphere, which can be absorbed by humans and cause serious health problems. According to the Green Matters, failure to recycle waste tons of resources on single-use plastic products that is made. Deforestation is also a serious problem caused by failure to recycle. For each ton of paper recycled, 17,000 gallons of water and 17 trees are saved. This shows if enough people begin recycling now, we can save what is left of our natural resources. Recycling also helps diminish the amount of waste that is growing at an exponential rate in our oceans. Without proper recycling procedures, we will soon start running out of space for waste removal. It is proven that recycling could free up to nearly 75% of space made for waste management and removal, according to the Bush System Resource Center. There are a multitude of benefits that come from recycling as well. The Green and Glowing blog states that 1 to 7 jobs could be created at each landfill in urns of recycling. This would greatly benefit the economy, and it would also create over 30,000 new jobs in the United States alone. This new economy would also be much less reliant on natural resources and more reliant on already made plastic that can be recycled over and over again. The greencoast.org shows that recycling will reduce the need for raw materials drastically and help preserve our environment. They state recycling would conserve up to 95% used in mining and manufacturing raw materials. Conserving these resources is said to greatly reduce the effects of climate change. Recycling is crucial in the preservation of the world, and without it, we may destroy our environment completely without ever being able to come back. While recycling may not seem like it will have a big impact on our current climate, it will have a serious, indefinite impact in the near future. Recycling is the easiest and most efficient way to preserve our environment and therefore our world. We need to maintain our environment so we can ensure its future.